Watch this old piece of rust-covered scrap metal get restored in just seconds, thanks to this ultra-powerful laser with an energy output of 150 millijoules. A pre-made foundational rope is placed inside a series of smaller ropes and then braided and spliced to create a rope strong enough to tug a boat. What starts off as a solid piece of metal on a mill turn quickly gets sheared into a custom trailer hitch by various carving arms coming in from different angles. As a means to keep the production line at a Chick-fil-A free, an uncultured chicken chain has developed a conveyor belt that transports their food via the ceiling. Check out this giant circular magnet. Drop down and suck up a pile of dust with metal components in a really artful way. Rather than tape off the glass on this French door before painting, the entire door is sprayed, and then this nifty scrap tool is used to blade off the paint. Various airless sprayer tips containing different paint colors are mounted to this truck to create perfect aero lines for incoming airliners. Throughout gravity and rotation on a wet run of concrete, this concrete road edger forms up a perfectly sculpted road curb in just seconds. This large piece of fish gets filleted into thin slices in just seconds when it gets pushed throughout a cutting machine with sharp blades that oscillate from side to side. A tractor with a rotating rake-like arm that spins in a counterclockwise fashion rapidly scoops up and gathers unwanted rocks in a field.